ECN Trade Technical Webinar. Good morning, my name is Rob Clayton. The Australian dollar at the moment is enjoying a comfortable rally after rejecting the 72.5 level last week. And as you can see from a 4-hour chart, the upside potential now views towards 74.5 to 74.65, the recent highs. I feel from this region, resistance should hold from there and see a pullback, with the support currently holding at 73.45.50. What will get this market bullish and confirm a higher target is a break above 74.65 and then 75.20, as you can see here. When we go to the dailies, you see above 75.20 exposes the region of around 76 to 77 cents. But holding in this merry-go-round at the moment, as you can see here, the rejection from the low 71.20s back up towards this 75, and then back down towards 72.5. I feel does look towards 72.5 eventually by midweek, and then lower down towards 71.20 and reassess from there. Euro also finding momentum, now looks towards a resistance of 113.50, but the key level is 113.80 to 114, the figure. If we get a break through that level, then that would give further momentum up towards 114.80. But I feel towards that region should find, like before, a failed attempt and see this market turn away from that region and look back towards that 110.5 level. Beneath 110.5 does look towards 107. But on the day, support comes in around 112.5 and beneath that 111.80. But as I say, keep an eye on that top side of 113.80 to 114, the figure, because a break there would give another 80 point rally and then turn back to the downside. The dollar yen story is still very much bearish, and then currently at this stage locked in a range of 103.90 to 104.75.80. Further test to the upside should find resistance harder of that break level of last week of 105.20, with the resistance seen at 105.15.40, which is expected to cap. Overall, I'm looking for a further move down and expect to see the market look towards 102.20 and lower to 101.10.60 is where the objective is, since the break of 105.20. Well, sterling, I think you need to look at a broader chart for this week. Reason being is the events that are up on the 23rd. And if you note, you can draw a trend line. If we widen this chart out a bit further, from the peak around 172, now brings a trend line in, currently around 146.40.80. Although it's quite a distance, considering we're trading at 144.80 at the moment. The way the market's trading and the risk events of this week could easily see this level break and look beyond 146.40.80 towards 147.60.90 or even higher up to 149. A clear rejection of this level, do take note that the market can actually, if we minimize this chart a little bit here, market can fall back to these lows seen around 134 to 136, although rejected, could actually see this break and then fall towards 134. However, to determine where we go this week, it'd be either a break of 146.40.80 on the top side, or the support of 139 at the moment. But nevertheless, it's too hard to determine where the market goes from what the oscillators tell me, and I'd rather look for break levels. But the trend is down at the moment, so 146.40.80 could be the key, and we could see further weakness in the pound. And looking to gold, well, the market did challenge that high 112.90 and rejected this morning and fell to a low around 112.80. Currently on a 10-point bounce, trading at 12.90, looks towards the resistance still capped around 1,302 to 1,305. I still feel any upside challenges towards that level, and with the cap at 113.16, should eventually see the market fall towards the support, which it still currently holds at 12.74, and a break beneath there would expose a fall towards 12.66 and lower down towards 12.42 as an objective. Well, that's a wrap for today. Further information you will find in the ECN report, which is on our website. Thank you very much for listening.